Hello guys, welcome back to AWMFX. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night, no matter where you are. So today let's dive into some of the trades that I took. It's all based on whatever knowledge that I've shared. That is the price structure, and of course, using the supply and demand to get into those trades. And it's all those easy trade. All right. So first of all, if you have watched two of my videos about price structure, I've explained about what is actually happening with XAUUSD over here. So if you look at the bigger time frame, let's go to H4 at this moment. It's overall in a bullish trend or uptrend because it's creating higher high and higher low all the way. All right, and it does not break or broke the previous low, right? And it's keep on creating high high and higher high. So in this sense, what does it mean? It means that the price is keep moving upwards, and you only have one thing to do in your mind right now. That is find opportunity to go for buy and buy some more. All right, but is there any opportunity to go for sell? That is definitely yes, of course. Reason is because this is higher time frame, right? A price tend to move in wave form, means that it will move up and then it will retrace before it continues to move up, right? So let's imagine this drawing over here is a H4 or day one, meaning that there is opportunity for you to do sell over here in lower time frame. Of course, it must break the price structure and then creating a retracement and moving further down. But in this sense, you have to keep in mind, right? One thing that is overall trend is uptrend. So you have to be very, very careful when making a sell trade and don't get greedy and don't hope, right? A lot of people use this strategy that is a pray and hope. Don't hope that the price will goes down or maybe this is the reversal point. Don't do that. This is not the correct way of trading, right? Because you need to go with the flow, right? So what happens over here? Let's look to it. As I mentioned previously, right, in one of my videos, I told you guys, if the price break this high over here, right, the price will tend to come down and then retrace and move further upwards. All right, I believe I've spoke about this in one of my videos. Right, so the price did break the previous high and it came down and then it goes up. And of course, in this sense, I'm gonna show you something very, very I mean, this is something that I've already shared. So what happened was that if when the price broke the previous high over here, so a lot of you keep making buy and buy, all right, making the buy. And I've explained this is the kind of structure that I will be careful of, right? Let me put in the box, this one over here. In this box, this is the kind of structure that I have to be careful. What is it? This is the tree drive. All right, this is the tree drive. I may put a link about the video tree drive I explained. So if you look at it, when the chart give you the answer, all right, when it happens to have a tree drive, are you still going to hold on your trade or are you going to exit your trade? It's up to you. For me, I will just exit my trade or if I'm in a positive position, all right, because the reason is that when the tree drive happens, likely the price will drop, right? And in this sense, the price really did drop, make the retracement, right? So what happened was that look for opportunity. I'll told you a lot. I've explained a lot of time. Look for opportunity for a buy. So if you look at it properly over here, what happened was that the price broke the previous low, right? Retrace and then keep telling you about the sell, isn't it? Telling about there is opportunity for sell. There is a, let's get this box out at this moment. If you know about the tree drive, tell you about sell, and then you have a fresh zone for sell, right? Let's make it into other color. You have fresh zone for the sell, and then keep giving you opportunity to sell, sell, sell. But are you going to make it all the way down? No, because in the early of this video, I've told you about look for opportunity for a buy trade. Look for opportunity for a buy trade, because the buy trade is the one that going to push or have, or should I say, the momentum, has the biggest momentum, right? So always look for opportunity. This is what we can consider as a QML. All right, QML, it broke the high, and this is the MPL where the price will react. Fresh zone over here. Let's get all this previous analysis out. Fresh zone, if you go lower time frame, you might have a sniper entry. It's up to you. So I'm not going to go into sniper entry today. So you have fresh zone, right? And then you might hold your trade, or you might because if this is the way it is, we do not know whether it's gonna make a high, we call it the double top. Double top is another way of reversal pattern. All right, you do not know whether it will make a double top or not. So for safe, always take profit at any fresh zone over top over here, right? In lower time frame, maybe there is, yeah. So take your profit over here. You have your opportunity, all right? Don't worry about that. Keep going for, or should I say, keep looking out for opportunity to buy. And if there's a strong reversal signal or reversal pattern, do some sell on the second retest or retracement, right? All the way, don't do it all the way down. Just be careful about that. So what happened was that I took some of this trade, all right, and then the price making high and high. All right. So what happens was that we combine. This is the trade that I took yesterday night. We combine everything that we know. We have to do that. We have to combine everything that we know. So first, price structure, uptrend, correct. So second thing, now in this lower time frame, what do we have? We have a QML for the buy opportunity. Isn't it? It's amazing, right? What should I say is that you have the confluence, uptrend. So you only know what to do when the price react. All right. So if some of you do not understand this area over here, this is a QML. How do you know it's a QML? Say, right, let's go into small time frame and look at it. You guys might understand this way. So if you look at this price, the price is moving in 5 minutes. All right, 5 minute structure is moving high, low, high. Sorry, it should be the reverse. I got too excited. High, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and then ultimate lower low over here. So the price went up, does not break the previous high, but it came down, retest, and then shoot up. All right, so this is a QML. I might label it. I'll be labeling it so it's easier for you guys to see. So this is the QML, right? QML, is it important? QML is just the area to tell you about the place where there is going to be a reversal. All right, in this sense, from downtrend to uptrend. Then look for MPL. So MPL is a place where there is a lot of rejection. All right, a lot of rejection. So this will be your MPL. Let's take this box out first. This is your MPL. Rejection all the way over here. Rejection. You see, even you make it further down, there is still a lot of rejection along this line. So this is your MPL line, right? MPL, maximum pain level. Then now you're going to do a buy trade, right? So buy trade is that you look for fresh zone below your MPL. So what do we have here? We have this zone right here, right? We have this zone right here. So this will be your entry point. Simple, easy. It's so straightforward. Or maybe sometimes I make it too easy for you guys. Look too easy. Just need to study. So what happened was that the price came down, react, and then move further up. And the price did not really move the whole night. All right, my time is Malaysia time, so it does not move the whole night. It's just moving up and down. I just don't give anything about it. I'll just drop it. All right. Later I'll make a video about trading psychology. So my stop loss was around 7 pips. Around 7 pips. Right. Around 7 pips, and the price keep on moving further up. So when I woke up, sorry about that. So when I woke up, the price already moved upwards, and I took my profit over here. Why I took my profit over here is because of the previous high line over here. I am not going to explain much about this. I'm afraid if we're going to make this one, what we call it, the double top. So just take my profit and gone. So it is an easy, simple trade. I get all this thing up. This is a very easy, simple trade, straightforward. I've explained it numerous times. Right? Wake up 1 to 11, not 1 to 12, not ratio 1 to 12, around 1 to 10, 1 to 11, something like that. Simple, easy. All right, so you need to play about with the time frame. You need to read what is happening, and then you must know the price structure. Right? In my mind, I always keep doing buy, and if there's any opportunity like this, I'm gonna make a sell trade, but with cautious, because I know it might not break all the way down until it break my higher time frame low. Right? Until it break my higher time frame low, then I know if it broke this low, or if it break this low, then I will find opportunity for sell. But at this moment, there is no sign of reversal or no sign of weakness for a bearish trend. Now all the way is a bullish trend. Even in a daily chart, if you look at it, it's all the way. Right? So now just be careful about this area, the orange line over here. Reason is that there is a very strong zone, right? And there is a bearish engulfing over here. So any buy trade, I will be cautious about this zone, but the range is still very big. You have a lot of trading opportunity. 312 pips, somewhere around there. So you still have a lot of opportunity to trade all the way up, but just be careful. Make yourself, or should I say, put yourself in the best position. Right? Get the best ratio, and it's that simple about trading. It's really that simple about trading. Right? What else I can share about here? Yeah. So this morning I saw these few dots over here. Maybe this is the missing information from the CESO data provider. I don't know what happened, but anyway, it does not matter. It does not make any difference to my trading. All right, I just trade it simple all the way. And some of you, if you guys caught this, good luck. I mean, you did well. All right. So there is a RBS SPR, which I didn't took this trade. I've forgotten about it. All right. What else I can share? Anyone know? This is RB resistance becomes support. Yes. RBS trade, straightforward RBS trade. All right, very sharp. If you look at it, very sharp. Then there is a break rally, base rally, and this is where you enter your trade. And then the price went up. It might have a sniper entry in lower time frame. All right. So congratulations if anyone took this trade. So everything that I've shared is actually what I apply. All right, and it's not those rocket scientist kind of method. It's very simple. But the only problem is that when I draw on the chart using the line, it looks neat, but in actual, it might looks complicated. So that is where your back testing, your training, your doing a lot of homeworks comes from. All right, you need to be familiarized with yourself, just like this, the tree drive. All right, if I don't tell you this is a tree drive, I'm not sure whether any of you recognize this is tree drive. Tree drive, the third drive or tree drive at the last 8 leg, right? So there is a lot of trading opportunity. So I think that's all from me today. Hopefully you guys learn a few tricks or tips about trading. I don't know why I'm speaking like this. So good luck on trading. Prepare well, because I can see the financial market will move a lot in a is the coming recent month. Why, I'm not gonna tell you. All right. So just be careful about that. And this week, today is my time is Tuesday, correct? So Friday there will be an NFP. So be careful on those who are trading NFP, because the spread might widen. Right, that's all I can share for today. So good luck, and give me a like and subscribe if you like my videos. Thank you. Bye.